Everybody here at Luscombe Suzuki is really proud to be able to offer this lovely Suzuki Swift SZ-T 1 litre booster jet, finished in a superb metallic red, for sale. As you can see as I walk around, the car's in superb condition. All the alloy wheels are great. The difference on this car to most other Suzuki Swift SZTs, the owner has put a red spoiler on the back of it, which looks absolutely fantastic. The car also has privacy glass on the rear 3 sides. Suzuki's 1 litre booster jet engine is absolutely superb. It's a low insurance group and is very economical, boasting over 55 miles to the gallon. As we go inside, as you can see, the interior is in superb condition also. Moving on to the car's infotainment system, which has AM, FM, digital radio, Bluetooth and smartphone projection, and down to the car's air conditioning. This car also has easy to use audio mounted steering wheel controls. For a reasonably small car, this has really good leg room in the back and has 3 seats with Isofix. As you can tell, this car's in superb condition both inside and out, and remember, any car sold by Luscombe Suzuki would come with at least 12 months MOT and a full service before leaving. Thank you very much for watching.